So last week, entrepreneur Pat David said this.
If you can somehow set aside your emotional love for that new house for 12 or 18 months, you're going to win. Here's why.
And this week, businessman and radio host Dave Ramsey said this.
Prices are not going to come down, Kevin. If you're waiting on prices to come down, you're not going to buy a house ever. Prices are not coming down.
So who's right? Well, nobody knows, but one of them is very wrong. And I mean like loud and wrong. So let's quickly explain visually so everyone can understand why this person is so wrong and how they're going to cost you so much money over the long run. Because Pat David also said this.
The mortgage payment's not going to be different. You're still going to pay the same payment you're paying today for that house, because you buy the same house 18 months from now. That's probably $1 million house today. You'll pay $720 for it. But interest rates are going to be 8.5%, so your payment's going to be the same.
According to Pat David, if you were to wait 18 months from now and buy that house for $720,000 at 8.5%, it'll be the same thing as buying a house for $1 million right now at 5%, today's rates. But that's not true. This is what your payment will be for $720,000 house with 10% down at 8.5% versus $1 million home with 10% down at 5%. A difference of $150 per month. So not only is he gonna cost you $1,800 per year, you're gonna also pay $300,000 more in interest alone. So in his mind, he thinks he's saving you $280,000 by waiting, but in fact, he's actually costing you more money than you would save, even if it does crash. You know what they say, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. But hey, I'm just saying.